Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Setting up ShareASale for your Shopify store involves three main phases, that is account creation, app installation, and configuration and tracking code implementation. This process enables you to launch and manage a successful affiliate marketing program. Let's start with the first phase, which is ShareASale merchant account setup. First, you need to register and set up your merchant account on the ShareASale platform. This involves providing your basic business information, store domain, and login details. Crucially, you will define your affiliate program's details, including the commission structure, e.g. a percentage of sale, and the cookie or tracking gap duration. You'll also create an appealing program bio and upload your company logo to attract affiliates. Note that ShareASale requires a setup fee and a minimum deposit to fund your affiliate payments. Once completed, your application will be reviewed for approval by the ShareASale team. Let's get to the second phase, which is Shopify app installation and linking. After your ShareASale account is established, the next step is to integrate it with your Shopify store, typically done through a dedicated Shopify app or plugin. Search for and install the ShareASale app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, you'll be prompted to link your accounts. Log into your ShareASale merchant account and locate your unique merchant ID, which is usually found in the top left corner of the dashboard. Another key thing is to copy this ID and paste it into the designated field within the Shopify app to bind the accounts and enable the tracking code integration. Phase 3 is now tracking code implementation, that is conversion and master tags. Accurate affiliate tracking is essential and requires two main code snippets, that is the conversion tracking pixel and the master tag. So let's start with conversion tracking pixel. This code tracks successful sales and commissions. In your Shopify admin, navigate to settings. Now click on checkout and accounts. Also, scroll down to the order status page section and paste the ShareASale conversion tracking code into the additional scripts field. Be sure to replace the placeholder, this number of X, with your merchant ID and ensure the dynamic Shopify variables are correctly implemented to capture the order amount and transaction ID. Also, secondly, now we have master tag installation. This second tag improves overall tracking accuracy. In your Shopify admin, go to online store, then click on themes. Now click on actions and then go ahead and press on edit code for your live theme. Open theme.liquid file, find the closing /head like this tag and paste the master tag script directly before it. You'll need to replace the placeholder in the script with your master tag ID, which can be found in your ShareASale accounts setup wizard or account details. So let's now get to the final verification finally. After all codes are installed and saved, it is critical to test the setup. ShareASale provides a specific test link to stimulate an affiliate referred purchase on your store. Complete a test purchase. If the setup is correct, a record of this test transaction will appear in your ShareASale console under reports under transaction details. This confirms that your integration is successful and your affiliate program is ready to launch. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.